How to suspend Twitter X account without appeal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to suspend your Twitter X account without any appeal. So first of all you have to do is just open any of your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for Help Center Twitter on the search bar, and you will see different links over here. You just have to simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, which says Contact Us Twitter Help Center. Over here, just scroll down and simply select the logged and suspended account issues. You also have the option of staying safe on X and sensitive content and feedback on X. But you have to click on the logged and suspended account issue. And after that, just locate the appeal a logged or suspended account option, in which you will see the option to log out or log into your account. And here it says that you are currently not logged in or logged into your X account, that is not suspended or logged. So you need to log out first and then log into your account or logged out account in order to submit this request. So you need to click on the logout from here. And now you can choose your username or your email address to log into your account. For example, I'm using my Google account, and just enter your details like your date of birth and your other details. And once you're done entering your details, you need to simply select the account that has been suspended by Twitter X. And once you're done entering the details and selected the account that you would want to recover from the Twitter X. So as you can see that in my case, my account has not been suspended by Twitter X. But if your account has been suspended by Twitter X, you will be able to see it on this particular page. And then you have to follow these steps that I've just told you in order to unsuspend your Twitter X account without any appeal. So that's how you will be able to unsuspend your Twitter X account without any appeal. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.